In today's video, we are going to see how we can create interlinked multiple dependent drop-down list.
Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays.
This is the format which I have already created in advance. Here I have got product category, item number or code, item's name, unit of measurement or UOM, rate, and vendor's name. I have got two drop-downs over here. First one is of product category and second one is of item name, and both the drop-down lists are interconnected. Here the product category is frozen and the item name is also from frozen list. When I change the product category to dry, it got highlighted because this item is not from the dry list. I'll click over here and I got list of all the dry items. When I'll select the dry item from here, the highlight got vanished. If I'll delete the item's name, it got highlighted and all the things like item number or code, unit of measurement, rate, and vendor's name got vanished. When I'll delete product category from here, the highlight got vanished. Let me delete few more cells and the format is looking blank. In the beginning, we will have to select product category and the item name got highlighted. So the second thing what we will have to do, we will have to select item name from the drop down list. And all the things like item number or code, unit of measurement, rate, and vendor's name got automatically filled up. Let's start creating a new sheet now. Here I have got a blank format with product category, item number or code, item's name, unit of measurement, rate, vendor's name, and helper. Basically, we will need three sheets of item details, item list. In item list, we will have all the details like item's name, item code, description, unit of measurement, and the rate. And the third sheet will be of setting sheet, where we will have product category, vendor's name, and we will be creating product filtered list for our dropdown, means for our dependent dropdown. I'll go in the first sheet, means of item details. The first thing over here is product category. We will have to create dropdown list for product category. I'll select this. We'll go in data, data validation. From the dropdown, I'll select list, source. I'll be going to setting sheet and we'll select product category from here. I'll select few more cells. In case my product category list increases in future, I'll have to type over here or I'll have to insert over here and it will be featured in my dropdown. I'll do OK. And my dropdown list is ready now. Now we will be moving to our setting sheet and we will have to create our products filtered list. Here we will be using the function of filter. So our function or the formula will be plus or equal to filter bracket open array. For array we will have to go to our items list or item list sheet. We will click on the top of item name. We'll press function F4 and the dollars will be inserted, means the cells will be logged, comma, include. What to include? We want to include the description of our items, means dry, chilled, frozen or packaging. So I'll click over here. I'll include one more criteria. For that I'll insert is equal to or I'll put is equal to. We'll go to item details list or item details sheet and we'll click over here on product category, comma. If empty, we want blank over here. So I'll put double inverted comma twice. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So my products filtered list got created. I'll come in item details sheet. I'll click on item name. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll be going to setting sheet and we'll click on our products filtered list which we have created right now. We'll remove dollar from center and we'll put hash over here. OK. So our drop down list got created. I'll click on the drop down and we are able to see names of all the dry items. When I'll change the list, when I'll select frozen, we are able to see name of all the frozen items. I'll drag it down. We'll delete this. Now I'll click over here. From here I'll select frozen once again. I'll click over here on item name. Now I'll click on drop down and nothing is visible. And we really don't want this. We want drop down in all our cells. So we will be going to our setting sheet once again. We'll click over here on our formula or function. We'll click just before filter and we'll insert the criteria of unique. Unique. Bracket open. We will come to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. The basic reason behind inserting the criteria of unique, it may be possible that name of few items get repeated. In that case, it will capture only unique items. To arrange our list alphabetically, we will insert the criteria of sort. S-O-R-T, sort, bracket open. We will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will insert our third criteria, that is of transpose. Transpose, bracket open. We will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag our list. We will be going to item details and we will click on our drop down. Now our drop down list is visible over here. I'll select product category from here. I'll delete this and we'll drag till end. Now I'll select name of the item from the item name drop down list. I'll change the product category and we'll select fruits and vegetables. We will click on the drop down and name of fruits and vegetables are visible. Item number or code. The formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Item's name will be our lookup value. Table array, comma. For table array, we will be going to our item list sheet. We will click on top and we'll select the whole data. We'll insert dollar just behind D5 and we'll lock our table array. Function F4, comma. Item code is in column number 2, so we will type 2 over here, comma 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got our item code over here. I always prefer to put the criteria of if error just behind VLOOKUP. So I'll insert if error over here. If error, bracket open, I'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close and I'll hit enter. I'll drag this down. I'll copy this and we'll paste in unit of measurement and rate. We will go to our item list sheet and we'll check the column number of unit of measurement and rate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit of measurement is in column number 4 and rate is in column number 5. So we will be going to item detail list and we'll change column number from here. 4 and this will be 5. I'll click on rate, we'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll take this up, number, use 1000 separators. Now I'll be going to custom, we'll click over here, double inverted comma, rupees, dot, double inverted comma, close, space and I'll do OK. So rupees or RS got inserted just behind rate. I'll select this and we'll drag this till end. Vendors, plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. This time we are going to take lookup value as product category, comma, table array. I'll be going to setting sheet and we'll select this. Vendor's name is in column number 2. So we will have to put 2 over here, but before that I'll lock the cells. Function F4, comma 2, comma 0. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. As I told earlier, I always prefer to put if error just behind VLOOKUP. So I'll put if error over here, if error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, we'll insert double inverted comma twice, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I'll put one more criteria of if over here, if, bracket open, item name is equal to blank. For blank, I'll insert double inverted comma twice, comma, double inverted comma once again, comma, I'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. I'll delete product category from here and vendor's name got vanished. I'll undo this. Helper, we will have to create this column for conditional formatting. But before conditional formatting, we will have to insert few formulas over here. Plus or equal to XLOOKUP, lookup value. Item name will be our lookup value. comma. Now we have to provide lookup array. For lookup array, we will be going to item list. We'll click over here on top, comma, return array. In return, we want description of the items. So I'll select this, comma, if not found. If not found, we want blank over here. For blank, we will insert double inverted comma twice. Bracket close and I'll hit enter. I'll drag this down. We are able to see zeros in blank cells. So I'll insert a criteria of if over here. If, bracket open, item name is equal to blank, comma, I want nothing to be visible, comma, I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down and I'll drag till end. Here we can see frozen and here we can see dry. So on this basis, we will highlight our item's name. I'll click on first item's name. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From drop down, I'll select classic. And from here, we will have to select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to product category. I'll remove dollars from here. Is not equal to this means helper column. We'll remove dollar once again. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, fill. From the drop down, we will have to select red color and we'll do OK. OK. So if the product category and helper will not be same, this will be highlighted. Currently the product category is frozen and item name is of dry. I'll select dry from here and the highlight got vanished. I'll select frozen from here, it got highlighted. So we will have to change the name from here and the highlight got vanished. If I'll delete product category from here, it got highlighted. I'll remove this also. Now I'll select a product category, fruits and vegetables. If this is empty, it's highlighted. So this highlight got based on various criterias. I'll delete this from here and we'll drag this till end. Now we can hide our helper column. I'll delete this and my sheet is ready now. Let's insert some data over here. Frozen. This got highlighted, means we have to fill up this one. And all the things got filled up automatically. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.
I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.